Hello, everyone. We are here at MWC 2026 and we are at the Amdocs booth. Amdocs is a leading provider for telecom solutions and they have just launched their agentic operating system called AOS. We're here to look at the stall, talk to some senior officials, and discover more about AOS. Come with us. MWC 2026.
Every industry needs a bit of color.
What is your favorite demo?
I'm here with the amazing and incredible Ayana. Ayana, first of all, I want to say congratulations to you and the Amdocs team.
Thank you.
For such a beautiful booth, but also for launching your very dynamic AOS. Can you just tell us a bit more about that?
So AOS, it's not just another feature, it's a whole operating system. It's a new us. For the first time, we're happy to announce Amdocs is an AI-first company. AI is everything, making it smarter, faster, stronger, and it's all eyes focused on customers, on our customers, future customers, our partners, but also our talents. The talents that we have today as a part of our team, but future talents as well, how we empower them to do things in a smarter way, faster, and continue to upskill their human skills and integrate them with the machine ones.
Amazing. And how did this vision come about? What inspired it for Amdocs?
So Amdocs had been around for more than 40 years. We are very proud of the fact that we have such huge and strong connections with the industry. It allows us to anticipate what's coming next. What is the next thing that our customers and partners are going to face, and be proactive about that. So before they even acknowledge a situation or an issue, we already come up with the solution. So this is what AOS is all about. It's about identifying, being proactive about that, and immediately taking to the next level.
I mean, this is great, and I loved how you kind of said predicting the future, because I think we're in that realm where it's a little bit like a sci-fi movie. So just to end off, can you tell me one thing you're excited about for 2026?
I'm excited about humans, actually. So for us, validating the trust of our agents and doing personality engineering, this is already something that we are doing. We've been doing that for the past 2 years, and now we're just sharing it with all of you, right? But for us, it's now about the human skills and how we empower people to work better with the artificial intelligence, and by that creating a whole better world, more connected and equal.
I love that. That's such a beautiful note to conclude on. Human stays at the center of connection, and I feel that energy here with the whole Amdocs family. It's very much a human-friendly, oriented community, I'm going to say. It's more than an organization. It's a family and value system. Thank you so much, Ayana, for your time.
Let's go for a tour.
Yeah, let's do it.
On y va.
I've got Mario here with me. Mario, I've got a question for you. What is your favorite demo here at the Amdocs booth?
My favorite demo has to be what we're showcasing with our partner NVIDIA, which is AOS, which is our agentic operating system for telco. It's an incredible, amazing demo, and is full with guests at our booth all day, every day since Monday when MWC started. Visitors are getting a deep dive into our new operating system, going into the details, how it exactly works, and what the impact this will have on the wider industry. So, for me, I think it's a must-see destination in our booth.
How would you describe the Amdocs booth of MWC 2026 in 3 words? A bit of a challenge.
I think, it's tough because there's so many words you can use, but I would say amazing, impactful, and colorful, every industry needs a bit of color, and as you can see behind us, we've got lots of that, so yeah.
That's great, and it really does make the booth stand out. Thank you so much, Mario.
And now we're going to walk over to the Amdocs & Co. Google Cloud to see what they've got. They also have an amazing terrace up here with a welcome desk, very, very nice and welcoming. They've got Coffee here on hand as well. And now we're going to come here and we're going to look at the Google Cloud, Dell Technologies, and Red Hat demos, which they've got here. Avanti, take it away.
Hey everyone, so we're here to learn a little bit more about what Amdocs does with Databricks.
Hi, I'm Scott. I'm from Databricks. We're a very good partner with Amdocs. Our solutions integrate really, really well. With Databricks, you can bring in all of your data, curate that data, and make it available to Amdocs. And then with Amdocs, you can also leverage the Databricks agentic AI capabilities to get the most from your data and get value for customers and solve their problems. So this is actually a simulation, but it's actually running live. So we've got a telco provider, in this case running in San Francisco, and aggregated network events are bubbling up, being processed by agentic AI, and then dealt with in as automated a way as possible. That might mean rebooting some equipment, it might mean routing around an outage, or it might mean sending out a field technician. In addition to that, there's a live query capability where you can use natural language to interact with that data that's being captured to ask things like, what are the sites that are that are experiencing the most failures? What are the recovery options that are doing the best for us? All those types of things. Really great way to leverage your data and get the most out of it.
What are some of the more common outages which you seem to face, and what is a quite simple fix which Databricks has ended up finding and identifying for some problems which are there with larger networks?
Yeah, so this is a simulation. I'm not going to say it's real data, but the things that we're looking at are error codes on devices, and then we can leverage agentic AI to decompose that error code and determine what we can do. Is it something that we can fix via reboot, or do we need to route the traffic around it, in which case we can interface with those other devices and do that. But we're leveraging generative AI to kind of do that analysis and interface with the different documentation and so on, and then tooling, things like MCP tools and other types of APIs to actually go and affect those changes with the appropriate guardrails, of course. And then behind that, we kind of track what we believe to be the costs that are involved and the savings. And so all of that can be analyzed as well. So there's a really good measure of ROI as this is all running.
Wow, that is truly amazing. The fact that you can use agentic AI to capture all of this data and then after that make it human readable. So then it's much easier for the human to take the decision on how to proceed next to be able to fix problems which pop up in the large network.
I'm here with,
Vadim Bogomolny.
and we're here to kind of do a technical deep dive into the offerings and collaborations between Google Cloud, AWS, and Microsoft, and how they work with Amdocs for various solutions from a B2B user perspective. So can you tell us more about it?
So I'm happy to represent our global partnerships. I'm working in a partnership team of Amdocs. And today we have a Google Day. Yesterday it was AWS and the day before it was Microsoft. So we are coming with several joint offerings, joint solutions. And with Microsoft, it's a platform which addresses also B2B scenarios called Customer Engagement Platform, which combines the best of Amdocs BSS stack and Microsoft Dynamics, enhanced with the agentic experience from the both companies. On the other side, with AWS and the Google, we're working on the integration on the contact centers. It is Google Contact Center and AWS Amazon Connect. And of course, the big part of our joint solution is autonomous network solutions, which you saw on the Databricks, and also coming up with the Amdocs technology extensions.
Amazing, that's really great. Thank you for that. And just a question to kind of follow up, because when you're leading partnerships, is there anything which you're really looking for into making a partnership strong? What would be your solid foundation into a long-lasting partnership?
So the foundation stone number one in this is a joint work on customers, because the customers bring the life and energy in every partnership we are doing together. And our hyperscaler partners are really good at it, bringing a lot of new opportunities and experience to work together on them.
Thank you, and I think that's really important, and it's great that it's very customer oriented and customer focused. Thank you so much. Is there any one last message you'd like to give?
I'd just like to welcome everyone to Amdocs partnership booth and Amdocs booth in general. And also you can see our joint solution on AWS, Google, and Microsoft stands in the first rows of their presentation. So please come and see it.
Thank you. Amazing. This was super interesting.
Thank you so much.
That was amazing. I love this conclusion. And as you can see, they really do make it amazing. Stay tuned for more. Bye bye.